Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can make the gardens, like your garden space, a little bit bigger. So I already agreed to like the size, but there is this kind of like expand garden section where you can expand. You'll need a lot of shekels for this, however, so I'm just going to expand this area. And as you can see, I've expanded this area. You can expand it even more, but you'll need to wait using the timer, obviously. You can also use slots to basically have another garden, but it is more expensive than expanding it, so I suggest for you to just expand your garden. As you can see, I get another kind of like land. I don't know, like another soil area here, but yeah, that is how you can expand your garden and grow a garden without spending Robux. But you do need to still spend your shekels, and it is pretty expensive. So, I mean, surely if you have a lot of like big plans like this, you're probably already rich. I don't know. I'm just assuming things at this point, but that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.